Another video, another day with the boys. Kickboating, OUTCASTS Club waters. Let's see if we can get any big uns. Woo! First fish of the morning. Yes, it's huge, eh? Picked up this one, probably about a 1.2, also on the wacky rig. Lekker, very nice. Mother of... wow! The striking. That's your better fish. Over a kilo fish. Look at Zaid making a comeback here. Lekker box. Nice fish. 1.5, mate. 1.3, 1.4.
It's a fat guy.
And is it fat? So it could be, oh, nice. Well done. Show the camera there, man.
One eternity later.
I'm at the OUTCASTS Club waters with my buddy Zaid off the kickboats. We've also brought a new member who wants to join the club, Ashton. He's fishing with us, catching some fish. So far fishing this morning hasn't been bad. I've caught a 1.5, 1.2 and a few like 800s and just on the kilo mark. I lost 2 fish. One I could see was probably another 1.5 or maybe a bit bigger, and the other one probably about a kilo and a bit. Yeah, and so far I've been catching them on wacky rig. Fishing's been alright so far. It's quieting down now, and it is 9:30. So I don't know why. Maybe it's this side of the dam. Other side of the dam I was getting a lot more fish and bites, so yeah, it's quieting down. Don't know if it's just the time of the morning or if this side is a bit dead, so I don't know. We can carry on going and see how it goes. fish to the start, eh? It's a nice fishy.
Ja, nice fatty.
Nice.
It's a nice fish.
Fight it through the sticks.
Yeah, trying not to.
They box, even though they're like what, 800?
Yeah, I don't know.
They box, but
There we go, vaccinator.
oh,
It's a nice fish.
yeah,
Right in the reeds.
yeah, flap. That was another, maybe a 1.5 again, because it was quite a big mouth.
Monster.
Oh, again off. Another
That
decent
was a
fish.
nice fish. I was about to record you.
I don't know what the hell.
Make sure, you know.
It's a better one. Nah, get off the stick. No, I'm on this bloody stick. Better, but that's good averages, eh?
Very nice.
Coming out this morning. Lekker. Probably what, one, two. One. Oh. Oh. No, come here. Yes! Woo! Yes, what a big mouth. Yeah, what a beauty. Yeah. Oh. 1.9. I don't know if you guys can see it from there. 1.9. Hey, hey! What a beautiful fish. What a beautiful fish. Look at that.